Here are 5 of the most intelligent animals in the world. 1. Chimpanzees, known for their problem-solving abilities, tool use, and social complexity. 2. Dolphins, highly social and intelligent marine mammals that use a complex system of communication. 3. Elephants possess excellent memory and emotional intelligence and can even recognize themselves in mirrors. 4. Octopuses, incredibly intelligent and curious creatures that have been observed solving puzzles and opening jars to access food. 5. Ravens have been shown to be highly skilled problem solvers and can even plan for the future and use tools to obtain food.